Hey everyone! To start trading or to increase your limits on Coinbase, you need to complete identity verification. In 2026, Coinbase has updated its process to be more automated and secure. Today, I'll show you the fastest way to get verified so you can jump into the markets. Let's go. Step 1. Sign in and start verification. Click on Identity Verification or the Verify Your Info prompt that usually appears at the top of your dashboard. Step 2. Enter personal details. Make sure your personal information is 100% accurate. Enter your legal name, date of birth, and current address exactly as they appear on your government-issued ID. For U.S. customers, you may also be asked to provide the last 4 digits of your Social Security number, SSN, to cross-reference your records instantly. Step 3. Capture your ID. Now, select your ID type. Most people use a driver's license or passport. Place your ID on a flat, dark surface with indirect, natural light to avoid glare. Frame the ID so that all 4 corners are visible. The app will usually auto-capture the photo once it's in focus. Flip it over and repeat for the back of the card if required. Step 4. The live selfie check. Next is the biometric check. You'll be asked to take a live selfie or record a short video of your face. Ensure you aren't wearing a hat or sunglasses. If you wore glasses in your ID photo, wear them now. Follow the on-screen prompts to look directly at the camera or turn your head slightly to prove you are a real person. Step 5. Review and wait. Review your submission and hit Confirm. In 2026, most intermediate verifications are approved automatically within 10 to 30 minutes. Keep an eye on your email for a confirmation. If it's rejected, it's usually due to a blurry photo, so just try again in a brighter room. And that's it. Your account is now fully verified and ready for action. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.